Are you facing trouble opening the CapCut app on your iPhone? This usually happens due to app glitches, low storage, or outdated software. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut app not working or not opening issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, to make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 2. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the Settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see any software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.